Hi everyone, it's Gail, and a quick little extra video today. I was able to fix my watermarking problem. I say I when I really mean Deb. Deb at Artzology helped me out, and we were able to get I was able to get a couple of listings done. So the first one I wanted to share with you guys is this one. This is you might remember a long time ago, actually, we did collaging with my feed sack fabrics onto ledger paper. And several of you asked me to make it a digital, which then I had all the difficulties with my computer dying, and then the watermarking company I was using not being available anymore. Anyway, it's there, and it is called Ledger Collage. It's just 5 pages of the collages that I did, and some fun ledger bits in amongst. So I love this one. I'm excited to play with it. And then this one is not with my feed sacks. This is with my jelly prints on Ledger. So Ledger Collage, this one. And then not as long ago, we did some neutral collage with old vintage and antique papers that I had, and an old magazine with ads and such. So this is that digital, and it is called Neutral Collage Kit 3. I have 2 previous neutral collages. This is Kit 3, okay? So there's that one. There's this one. We added some vintage rickrack that I felt like went with it. And oh, I've got 2 of those printed. Well, I figured I could use them. And then this one, I love this with this old diary from 1919. This diary is from. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. And then this one, I love this whole ad, so I added that in. This is the cover to a needlepoint sort of thing, and then encyclopedias. Don't have those anymore. We have the Google. So, and then this one has the Eugene, Oregon check. It's got a recipe for white liniment. Yeah. So anyway, this is the Neutral Collage Kit 3 and Ledger Collage. And those, when this video goes up, they'll be on my Etsy CinnamonT, and I'll link the actual kits down below, as well as my Etsy shop. So thanks everybody. I'm so grateful to Deb at Artzology for helping me fix my dilemma. So thanks everybody. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.